हाय गाइस, मैं हूं आपका दोस्त अनुपम और ये है हमारा चैनल इन्वेस्टमेंट विद एना। तो ये चैनल हमने खोला है टू लर्न एंड ग्रो इन द वर्ल्ड ऑफ फाइनेंस। सो हाउ वी कैन ग्रो टुगेदर with your feedbacks and comments that will help us to provide the maximum beneficiary content. And before starting with anything, let me tell you one of the greatest quote that I have ever read is the your biggest investment is done on yourself. So you are yourself is the biggest investment that you can do in your whole life. So human capital is the best investment that they say. And let me tell you very frankly guys, this channel is not about how to become financially independent from at the age of 35 and not work after that. This is something that we are going to talk about is something sustainable finance in investing, and so that we can without any worries or emergencies funds that we need, we can work whatever we like and whatever we find our passion into. So in this video I am going to talk about is four keys of finance that we all should know and should invest in without any further delay. If you are even 18 plus, 25 plus, 20, 30, 40, 45, doesn't matter. If you haven't invested in these four keys, invest now. This is no time to late or delay this any shorter. Just do it right away, because as they say, compounding does wonders in 1 or 2 years itself. Because in 1 year you can have the double money or nothing. So it's just a quote. Don't take it much seriously. So four keys of investment. First one is life insurance. With the time being said, this is something really important, and on a general note, this is something that we all should have. Second is PPF account. A very easy and you can say very easy and very economical investment that you can do is PPF account. We're gonna take about these topics in more details in the further series. Third is NPS account. This is something very interesting thing that Indian government has come up with and has also replaced pension now for the government employees, and also it's now available, or private employees can also avail this. So it's a very interesting topic. Fourth, that we all are here for, and that's something very lucrative, is Demat account. Demat account is the gateway to all the stocks, ETF, foreign investment that all you have to do can be done through Demat account. And we all know there are so plenty of startups, companies that are providing Demat account. We'll further discuss about it. So let's dig deeper into the world of life insurance first. So what is life insurance? Life insurance is the sum that has been assured by the company to you in case of natural or accidental death, or some of the policies they also cover permanent physical disabilities also, or accidental disabilities. So life insurance, before say I would urge you or request you that you must have life insurance. Sometimes हमारे parents हमारा life insurance करवा देते हैं when we are less than 18 or in the childhood, but you make sure that is covering you till the age of 85 years at least. Mark this, 85 years at least. If you are going to buy the insurance right away, or you are 18 plus and you are going to buy it for you or for anyone, 85 plus is a necessary, because that is somewhat life expectancy of the person is for now becoming for youth at least, and that will cover you for most of the time. And also there is something that new policies with some additional features that is coming with the return of investment. Let me tell you very frankly that they are not gonna return you the same amount of money. Let's say if you are having 10,000 annual policy term, that is your payment term, and you're going to pay it for around your say 25 years, for as till your age of 60, for 25 years. So you're going to pay around 2,50,000, and this 2,50,000 that you're going to pay is they surely not going to pay you 2,50,000 back when the policy ends. They surely cut some charges and would, let's say, return you with 2 lakhs. Even if they return 2 lakhs, you would think that you have got some money, but is it inflation viable? No. That 2 lakh may have decreased its value within this 25 years up to 1 lakh, or we never know, 50,000. So what you got is 50,000 and also a loss of policy term. So this is something, a loss situation for both of you. So you should not do this, and that's why I say always have a full life insurance without any return of investment. So that's all up to life insurance, guys. We'll further cover with more keys. Till then, like, share, subscribe our video and stay tuned. Bye.